How to fix not everyone can message this account on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete. If you're having trouble receiving message from everyone on Instagram, you are not alone. In today's video, I'll show you a simple solution to fix this problem and ensure your message are open to everyone. First thing first, open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Setting menu, scroll down and select Privacy. This will open a new set of options related to your account's privacy settings. Under the privacy setting, find and tap on Messages. This is where you can adjust who can send you message on Instagram. Under Message Controls, you will see the options of potential connections, other people, and group setting. Individually tap on these options to adjust who can send you message. If Don't Receive Request is selected, only people you follow can message you. To receive messages from everyone, select Receive Request from Everyone. And once you have selected Receive Request from Everyone, go back to your Instagram profile and ask someone to send you a message to test if the issue is resolved. And there you have it. By adjusting your message controls, you can easily fix the not everyone can message this account issue on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!